The world needs you, your spiritual journey, our collective transformation. We stand at a crossroads. The world yearns for healing, for connection, for a brighter tomorrow. The answers lie within each of us. Our spiritual growth is not just a personal journey. It's a key to global transformation. The world needs your light. It needs your love. It needs the unique gifts you bring to this shared experience. By embracing spiritual teachings, we unlock the potential for a more beautiful world, one filled with compassion, understanding, and unity. Lesson 1: Unity, the heartbeat of humanity. The Mother, a spiritual luminary, spoke of human unity as the very essence of our being. We are not separate islands, but waves in the same ocean of consciousness. Recognizing this interconnectedness is the first step towards a more harmonious world. When we see ourselves in others, compassion naturally arises. We become more understanding, more forgiving, more willing to extend a helping hand. Small acts of kindness, rooted in this understanding of unity, ripple outwards, creating a wave of positive change. Remember, every act of kindness, no matter how small, matters. It's a thread in the tapestry of a more beautiful world. Lesson 2: Love and consciousness, the architects of a new world. In her conversations, the Mother emphasized the transformative power of love and consciousness. Love, in its purest form, is not just an emotion. It's a force that binds us together. It's the foundation upon which a new world can be built. Consciousness, our awareness of ourselves and the world around us, allows us to make choices rooted in love. When we act from a place of conscious awareness, we choose kindness over judgment, understanding over fear. We become beacons of light, illuminating the path towards a brighter future, a future where differences are celebrated and unity is our guiding principle. Lesson 3: Sri Aurobindo's vision, a tapestry of divinity. Sri Aurobindo, a renowned philosopher and mystic, envisioned a future where humanity transcends its limitations and embraces its divine potential. He believed that within each of us lies the spark of the divine waiting to be kindled. This divine potential, he taught, is not something to be attained in some distant future. It's present within us now, waiting to be expressed through our thoughts, words, and actions. Imagine a world where every individual lives in alignment with their highest potential. A world where compassion, creativity, and wisdom guide our every step. This is the vision Sri Aurobindo invites us to co-create. Lesson 4: Divine Living, from Aspiration to Reality. The Mother's teachings on earthly transformation offer a practical roadmap for manifesting this divine vision. She emphasized that creating a divine life starts with our daily choices, our interactions with others, and our commitment to living in alignment with our highest values. It's about finding joy in the simple things, practicing gratitude for the blessings in our lives, and approaching challenges with grace and resilience. Every moment becomes an opportunity to embody the divine, to be the change we wish to see in the world. Start small, practice kindness, cultivate love in your heart. These seemingly small acts, when multiplied by millions, have the power to transform our world. Your light matters. Embark on the journey of transformation. The journey towards a more beautiful world begins with each of us. It begins with a commitment to our own spiritual growth and a willingness to extend love and compassion to all beings. Embrace the teachings of unity, love, and consciousness. Let them guide your steps and inspire your actions. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are all connected, and together we have the power to create a world that reflects the divine beauty that resides within each of us. The world needs your light. Let it shine.